In clear skies over on the Cape, SpaceX launches a reused Falcon 9 rocket tonight. It's actually the first attempt of its kind in history. It took 4 months to refurbish this rocket for the mission. SpaceX says reusing rockets will help cut down on launch prices. And some of you may have even seen a trail of smoke in the sky at liftoff. James Wheeland, he posted this picture on his Twitter. You can see it real clear there. The rocket launch could be seen from our Palm Beach International camera and for miles as well.